So we've already talked about the skills collaboration, which is driven by industry, and also the Advanced Therapy Treatment Centres that has over 64 partners involved. But there's also, we've done a number of collaborations where we've found a pre-competitive space really, where in areas that people have been traditionally very concerned about retaining IP. So this is, we've done a consortium to develop process analytical technologies, and it had over 20 partners, and they were industry partners, therapy developers, technology developers, and to enable us to put a collaboration like that together where the IP is generally so critical, I think the outputs from that are going to be really impressive. And there's also even in areas where confidentiality has traditionally been really important to people, we've got collaborations going there as well. So at the Stevenage Manufacturing Innovation Centre, we're supporting 6 companies to manufacture. And I think when, well, the whole model was really put in place to enable our collaborators to maintain their confidentiality. However, there's real areas where working together you can really benefit from each other's learnings and collaborate. So working with our supply chain partners and the collaborators, we've established systems where we can really work with them to onboard our collaborators more quickly, move them to help them to get their first GMP product out quickly, and really work with them to drive down their target vein-to-vein times as well, to support them to do that. And that collaboration is going from strength to strength. So I think the main lesson that the CGT Catapult has learned from these collaborations are that there's always a pre-competitive space to work with, and that's even with when you're bringing together pharma companies, NHS, smaller therapy developers. And this really came to the forefront with the ATTCs, where we're working internationally as well with the ATTCs. And I think if you look at all of the therapy developers, no matter where they are, then everybody will benefit from having a skilled workforce within the clinic, standardised procedures. There's going to be differences between therapies coming to the market, but everyone benefits from having standardised procedures across everywhere, having hospitals that are really ready to deliver these life-saving therapies, having reimbursement strategies that are able to be adapted for these therapies as well. Therefore, the collaboration there is again going from strength to strength.